Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Showbox APK, the #1 best movie app to download. So let's get into it. First, you want to go to Chrome, and then you want to type in the following URL: showboxappdownload.com, and then scroll down to where you see Showbox APK download, and then you want to tap it or have it installed. And yeah, that's basically it. And then once you get into the app, it'll show something like this. You have a 3 little icon bar at the top. Shows you all that. Shows you trending, movies, TV shows, news, trailers, favorites, downloads, new releases, and settings. New releases is just new movies out.